Do you wonder why you are not able to trust your partner? Or do you feel that your partner doesn't trust you? Well, trust is a very small word, but it can have a significant impact in a relationship. So today, I'll be talking about why some people are unable to trust their partners. Hello everyone, welcome to Mansa. Mansa is a space where we talk about mental health and well-being, and today I'll be talking about why some of us cannot trust in a relationship. Well, there can be multiple reasons as to why we cannot trust. So I'm going to talk about that in detail in today's video. The first reason is because of early childhood experiences. Now what about childhood experiences? So when we are a child, when we are young, being taken care by our caregivers or our parents, we are unable to form a strong bond with them. That may be because we were not taken care very well, or we were in an unsafe environment. So there can be multiple reasons. Now, because of that kind of experience, as we grow, we also find it difficult to form that bond with the person in the adult relationship. So that is why some of us are unable to trust. The second point is social rejection, or what we call during the teenagers. Bullying happens in school. We feel rejected, and then it also starts impacting our self-esteem. Now, when that happens, we also feel that our environment is unsafe. We are unable to trust others, and as we grow into adult years, we carry the same belief and we are unable to trust our partners. So that can also be one of the major reasons. Now the third reason, it can be due to our past experience or past relationship experience, to be precise. So when we are in a relationship, or we feel rejected, or we feel betrayed, we carry the same belief and we start thinking that the same might happen in our current relationship. Maybe our partner will reject us again, and that's why we fail to trust our partner. So that's when the trust issues also come in. Now the fourth point, which is trauma. Trauma in form of accidents, in form of illness, in form of loss of loved one can be a very, very strong factor as to why we cannot trust. We start feeling that when probably we have lost somebody who is very dear to us, very close to us, and then suddenly because of death, now they are gone completely. We feel that whosoever comes in our life will be gone. So we cannot trust, they will suddenly leave us and go. And that belief is again carried forward, and that can be seen in our adult relationship. Coming to the fifth point, which is mental disorders. So in certain mental disorders also we can have trust issues. Some examples are depression, anxiety, personality disorders, schizophrenia, just to name a few. And in such kind of situation also, our belief system or we start looking at things in a very negative way. We find it difficult to trust people. Everything seems out of control. So that's also one of the reasons why people find it difficult to trust in a relationship. Now, do not freak out hearing that there can be so many reasons. Now what? But the good news is that there are solutions. You can definitely seek out help in form of therapy. You can reach out to a mental health professional and work on these trust issues and regain your trust. So like how we treat our physical health, if there is some problem, we immediately reach out to doctor. So the same should be done for our mental health. So health is not just physical, it is also mental, and it is very, very important that we take care of both. So feel free to reach out to your therapist or any of the mental health professional and work on those trust issues so that it not just improves your relationship but your overall sense of well-being as well. So that's it for today. If you like the video, then please like, comment down below what do you think about it, and share with the people who you think can benefit from this video. And if you want, then please subscribe to my channel.